Capture Chain is SilverSilk's #1 best-selling knitted wire jewelry chain that redefines the art of making jewelry. This 3mm chain is crafted by intricately knitting 32-gauge colorful copper wire as fine as a strand of human hair around a durable 2.4mm metallic ball chain. Using a custom-built machine equipped with 6 precision latch hook needles, the wire is stitched into a smooth and consistent outer layer. Capture Chain's unique elasticity provides a luxurious, free-flowing feel to your jewelry designs. The knitted wire allows the metallic sheen of the ball chain to subtly shine through, creating a unique effect. It combines the strength of metal with the delicate beauty of finely woven knit material and offers endless possibilities for making stunning jewelry. Whether you're building your jewelry crafting stash or want to infuse it with exciting new materials, this popular chain is a must-have for your jewelry making journey.